In today's video, I'm going to share my quick morning routine with you. This is when I need to get ready and get going on whatever it is that I need to get done for the day. आप सब लोगों को मेरी तरफ से 5वां रोजा बहुत बहुत मुबारक. I'm wishing all of you a very jolly 5th day of Ramadan. This routine has only 4 steps, and all the steps that I use in this video is under $50 US. Neutrogena Power Wash is amazing to use all around your body, skin as well. I leave the big container in the shower, but for my travel kit I like to take it out in like a little separate container so I can bring it with me wherever I go. I think that is a great purchase since you can use it on the face and on the body. So I first rinse off my face really quickly with that, with my hands and my fingers. Then you're going to see me using a luxury microfiber face cloth. Always remember to use it in dabbing motions. Always press and hold instead of pulling and tugging or like really being aggressive with your skin. Then you're going to see me go in with the Sun Mist by PIXI. This has SPF 50 and it also contains niacinamide and some other really wonderful ingredients. Not only does it protect you from the sun, but it also softens the skin and it soothes the skin. You can also use it as a touch-up step throughout your day. Then you're going to see me using the SUNPRISE mild and watery light version of this sunscreen. Right now my skin is quite normal and it's loving this sunscreen. It's around about $8 at Amazon and it's the best formulation for people who have sensitive eyes. I know a lot of you guys that are watching me have sensitivity around your eye area, especially when it comes to sunscreens. If you do have olive skin, make sure to check out this sunscreen if it's available in your country. I highly recommend this. This is probably some of the best formulation in the world, in my opinion, and it's the best price that you can possibly receive. You will see as soon as you put it on, it goes right into the skin. It does not leave a white cast whatsoever. You can take it around the eye area liberally and it's not gonna make your eyes burn. It is SPF 50 PA+++, so it's got 3 pluses. And yeah, it is a Korean brand. The last step in my routine is this SPF lip balm by Physicians Formula. I have the shade in Mauve to Brazil. It's a very neutral shade, neutral pinky shade. I really love this because it has SPF 15 in it and I can apply it throughout the day. The texture of this is kind of like a lip oil. It turns into an oil as you're rubbing it on your lips. It does not have any shimmer particles and that's what I love about it, with mauve tone. So I can swatch it for you. Fades away quite nicely. They also have a lot of different colors in this shade range, so if you want to play around with some red shades or some berry shades, I would highly recommend this. The reason why I think it's necessary to have a skincare routine that's going to be close to 5 minutes or under 10 minutes is because there are going to be days when you're going to need to get yourself out of the house. This is like basic steps really quickly. I don't believe that you need all of these intermediate steps every single day. I think it's nice to have those steps if you can afford them, but essences, hydrators, serums, all of those things that go in between, I don't think they're necessary for everyone. That's just my take on it. Yeah, so that is it from me. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also please make sure to leave me a comment letting me know what do you think about this short skincare routine. If you have any question, comments, or concern, please leave them in the comment section below this video. Please make sure to share my video with a woman of color who you know has olive skin. If you enjoyed hanging out with me, here's another video coming from me now. Allah Hafiz!